Let's start our year with focus, passion, and success so that we can thrive in 2025. Join us at our CNP Leadership Vision Board Party. Hi, CNP leaders. My name is Alana Jones, and I am your child nutrition specialist. Today, what I wanted to do is come on our platform here on YouTube and Facebook and invite you to the Child Nutrition Program Leadership Vision Board Party. It's going to be held here on Zoom January 25th from 10 to 11 Eastern. So this is the perfect chance for all school nutrition directors, cafeteria managers. If you are a daycare director who also has food program responsibilities, this is our opportunity to get together and plan a vision together for our programs to offer excellent child nutrition programs. So whether you're operating NSLP, CACFP, SBP, all of our languages, if you're part of one of those programs, we are asking you to join us. We want to start 2025 with really harnessing our passions, promoting our visions, and just setting a clear path of success for the rest of our school year, or for some of us, it'll be this whole year. And we want to put that together as a plan and do this in a community of people who understand us. CNP, we are CNP. We are child nutrition professionals, correct? And we have our own, I say it like this, we are a people, right? We have our own languages, we have our own rules and regulations. We're serving children, we're serving at-risk youth, we are serving infants in some cases, and in some cases we're serving adults who are in need. With that, we have our own community of people. We have our own needs, and we need to use each other as a resource. So that's why we all want to get together here on January 25th to discuss the specific vision that we have for our programs. During this program, we're going to talk about the vision for your organization for 2025. We want to make sure that we are starting 2025 off strong, and also that we are setting goals that make changes for our programs that impact us as leaders, as well as those who follow us, and also the people that we're serving. We're going to focus in on our program excellence. So we want to define some of those tasks that we want to take care of this year that are going to make our programs better. And then we want to focus in on our own personal and professional growth. What are the tools that we plan to use to grow this year? And how will we use those tools? Then we're going to talk about our teams and collaborating with our teams. Is this the year that we start seeing our team step up more? What are our goals for our team to grow more, to produce better products, to serve better? We want to talk about that. We're going to look at our own health and wellness as well as our spiritual growth. We're going to talk about that at our party as well. And we're going to talk about work-life balance, right? For many of us, child nutrition or education, whichever field you may be in, it's a personal value of ours. We take our careers very seriously. We are very passionate about them. They make up our purpose as who we are. But we also have our own personal lives that we have to balance that out in. So we want to talk about goals for work-life balance this year. And then finally, we want to talk about those big dreams. I know when I was a school nutrition director, I had big dreams for our department. We wanted to be the Chick-fil-A of child nutrition. And that was really important for me. But there were many steps that we had to take to get there. So let's talk about those big dreams. Let's get them written down. Let's get those tasks and those goals assigned as well. Let's learn how to align our program with the needs of the children and the adults we serve, as well as our communities. And also, we're going to do this in a place where we can all collaborate together and share this passion for child nutrition. This isn't just going to be another webinar. I want it to be interactive, fun, and an inspiring experience that is designed to transform your year in your CNP programs. So, what are going to be the best parts of this? Number one, if you sign up for the party, you're going to get access to the template. You'll have a full template that's going to give you some tools. It's going to give you access. You could do this on as a visual, on your computer, or you can also get all the tools that you need to make this as an actual physical vision board that you put up on your wall. We're going to do that. We're also going to have discussions that you can interact with. We'll have polls and quizzes during this party so that we can really get down to what are the unique goals that your organization has. And then by the end of the party, you're going to have this product that you can use to guide you through the rest of this year. So I'm excited about this. I really think every program has to have a vision. That's really how, personally, that's how I guide my life. In the Bible, it says, let there be light, right? Let there be light. Let there be vision. Let there be a plan to go forth. Let there be a plan for us to move our organizations. Let there be a plan for us, a vision for our people. CNP people are salt of the earth. We are golden, okay? And we need to focus in on our people and helping them grow and helping them feel appreciated. So this is the year to do that. And I'd love for us all to get together as a group and join in on this plan. So you'll find the registration information below. To just have the template would just be $5, and you can take that template, you can do it with your team. And let's get together and really put a vision together for 2025 so that we may thrive in 2025 in our CNP programs and really produce excellent programs.